Good morning. Welcome back to Deb's True Crime Notebook, where we read the documents for you so you don't have to. Well, it's a Tuesday morning, and we are just enjoying the sight in the backyard here, drinking some coffee. I hope that wherever you are, you're having an opportunity to relax a little bit. And we do have some information for you concerning the Richard Allen trial. It's direct from Judge Gull. So let's get right into it. The court, having received defendant Richard Allen's verified motion to correct errors filed January 20th, 2025, the state's response to motion to correct error filed February 4th, 2025, and the defendant's verified motion to strike the state's response to motion to correct error filed February 14th, 2025, now denies defendant's Richard Allen verified motion to correct error and further denies the defendant's verified motion to strike the state's response to motion to correct error without hearing. And it's dated February 14th, 2025. It's signed by Judge Francis C. Gull, Special Judge, Carroll Circuit Court, Carroll County, Indiana. And the next motion, State of Indiana, County of Carroll. State of Indiana versus Richard M. Allen, defendant, order or judgment of the court. Defendant's motion to correct abstract of judgment filed January 20th, 2025, reviewed and denied without hearing. Dated February 14th, 2025, signed by Francis C. Gull, Special Judge, Carroll Circuit Court, Carroll County, Indiana. Okay, let's recap what we just read. And I'm kind of saying that in jest because there's really nothing to recap. I mean, it's pretty cut and dried, right? Everything from January 20th on that's been filed by the defense attorney, by the state, it's all denied, wiped out. It's time for them to move on. And so at this point, the next step will be the filing of the appeal by the appeal attorneys that were assigned to the case. Therefore, it looks like Andrew Baldwin, Rosie, Auger, all of them are out and done. And we move on to the next phase. Although I did want to go over the limited appearance document that was filed by the defense attorneys, just to read through, just to clarify that. I know a lot of people are saying that only Baldwin filed a reappearance, but actually it was all three of them, Baldwin, Rosie, and Auger. And very interesting, as you'll read, you'll see that they are claiming that they did not file a motion to exit the case because they weren't through yet. The court filed that for them when the new attorneys for the appeal were assigned. So that's why they filed a reappearance. So here it is. And then it says, limited appearance, Carroll County Circuit Court, case number 08C01-2210-MR-000001. 1, defendant's name, Richard Allen. 2, defense attorney information, Baldwin, Rosie, and Auger are listed. And here's what it has to say. 3, will defendant accept fax service? Yes. 4, additional information required by state or local rule, not available. 5, although defense counsel never withdrew their prior appearances, it appears the court on its own withdrew all defense counsel before the time had transpired for trial counsel to file Mr. Allen's motion to correct errors. This appearance is limited for the purposes of filing Mr. Allen's motion to correct errors, motion to preserve specific evidence, and motion to correct abstract judgment. So I do not expect Nick McClelland to file any response to anything that they've filed. At this point, most likely it's just going to move on to the appeal portion, and the next thing that we hear will be a filed appeal by the new attorneys who are assigned to work the appeal. So that's it. You're up to date on Deb's True Crime Notebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do all the things for me, and have a great day. We'll see you next time.